Hello friends, my name is Aiden. Welcome back to another video. Well, for today's video, let us keep the topic pretty simple. Let's talk about things that we don't pay much attention to. Things like food, water, sleep, and probably right way to consume these entities. So let's begin. Drinking water. The water you drink every day, it's not just water. Let's say it is liquid computer. It can react to your thoughts and adapt to it. You don't believe me, right? A group of researchers have conducted a research and their results were astonishing. You can see the result they have got. Water, like a computer, changed its molecular structure without changing its chemical structure, reacting to the thoughts it got from the people, which shows that water is a living entity and not just liquid. You can see how different emotions and thoughts have changed the structure of water. As you have seen the result of the experiment, I would like to tell the best method to drink water. Long time ago, in ancient India and other cultures in the world, people drank water in copper. The copper helps to kill all the germs and changes molecular structure of water. And a research has also found out that making hospital beds from copper is the best way to keep patients away from infection. So, drink and store water in copper. Don't drink water while you are eating, as it would disturb the acid in the stomach. Drink water 30 minutes prior eating and after 2 hours of eating. And while you're drinking water, always drink water with gratitude, compassion, love, holiness towards water. Next would be food. Like water, even food reacts to our thoughts and feelings. A test was conducted where a group of researchers wrote, "I hate you" and "I love you" on a jar of rice. And this was kept as a display in a crowded area. The results showed that a jar with a negative emotion spoiled soon, and jar with "I love you" took a long time to spoil, which showed that being positive, present, and a positive attitude towards food is absolutely necessary while eating. So always remember, never hate your food. However the food may be, love it and eat it. It is that point of time that the food will show its miracles to your health, and that is the right way to stay healthy. You may ask, what type of food should we eat? The answer would be raw food without a doubt. But people prefer more of cooked food and they blindly believe that this is the best way to eat. But it's not. Just like fire burns and destroys everything that comes in its way, it does the same thing to your food, where it destroys enzymes in the food, which the stomach has to produce to digest that food, which increases the digestion period. It is also calculated that cooked food uses 80% of the digestion power, which means that the energy you get from the food is used to digest itself, and very less amount of energy is given to your body, and still you become fat. Whereas raw food consumed just utilizes 20% digestion power, which means you will have more energy with same amount of food consumed, as raw food just takes around 30 minutes in stomach and up to 12 to 24 hours to complete entire digestion process, whereas cooked food takes 3 to 4 hours in stomach and 2 to 3 days to completely digest. Which is why eat lots of fruits and maintain a diet of 80% raw food and 20% cooked food. Next, let's move on to sleeping. You know, food and sleep are interconnected. If you eat proper food, then you'll have proper sleep. Well, there is a proper theory to this. Eat 3 to 4 hours before the bed, as stomach would have to digest the food and it will be at rest. If you consume food just before the bed, the stomach would take almost half a night to digest the food, and in the morning you would not want to wake up, as the sleep is not enough because Stomach spends night in digesting your food without having any rest. So eat 3 to 4 hours prior, and if possible eat raw foods, as it would be easy and quick for your stomach to digest. Eat well, be well, and sleep well. Fasting is a vast topic. The way you fast, how you want to fast, it's your choice. You can skip one meal or two meal or go entire day without having food. It depends on your mindset. There is no need to research about it. If possible, do it. At least eat fruits, raw vegetables at night during fasting before sleep for 3 days. If 3 days seems tough, I suggest to fast on full moon and no moon day for 3 days. Fasting has many benefits, which you can research and choose your best way to do it. Try this once and share your experience with others. If you want videos on such topic, ask in the comments down below. And we have come to the end of the video. And today's question is, who made the first pizza? Answer in the comments down below and follow my social handles. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe. Bye.